Welcome to Mathematics Online Lecture Series by Professor K.V. Narasimhan, Vector Calculus, lecture number 18. Results on vector operators. Okay. Today we will discuss another result, most important result. Now, proof of the result. Proof of the result. What is the statement? Divergence of gradient of r power m equals to m into m plus 1 r power m minus 2 or del square r power m equals to m into m plus 1 into r power m minus 2. Now, what is the given question? First we will find inside term, inside value, then we will discuss the remaining. First, gradient of r power m, that is del r power m. Del r power m equals to m into r power m minus 1 into derivative, then del r. Del r equals to m into r power m minus 1 into r bar by r, because del r equals to r bar by r. So, okay, first r power m derivative m into r power m minus 1 into del r equals to this one. After simplifying, gradient of r power m equals to m into r power m minus 2 into r bar. Okay, this is one. Now we will find divergence of gradient of r power m. That is, divergence means del dot, grad means gradient means del r power m. This is also known as del dot del equals to del square r power m. If the given question is, suppose if you observe the question, del square r power m, so del square r power m is nothing but del dot del r power m. So, first write this term, then write this term. Now continuation. Del dot del r power m is also known m into r power m minus 2 into r bar. Okay, fine. So, m is constant term. What is the sigma notation? Sigma I dot dou by dou x of r power m minus 2 into r bar. Okay, differentiate using uv formula. U is r power m minus 2, v equals to this one. So, what is uv formula? Derivative of uv equals to u into v dash plus u dash into v. Using this formula, find the derivative. Now, this is m into sigma I dot, now derivative. First r power m minus 2 into derivative of r bar plus second term derivative r bar into m minus 2 into r power m minus 3 into dou r by dou x. So, r power m minus 2 derivative is m minus 2 r power m minus 3 into dou r by dou x into r bar. Okay. Now, already known results, dou r bar by dou x equals to I, dou r by dou x equals to x by r. Now, we are applying these two. Dou r by dou x equals to x by r. Now, substitute these two results, m into sigma I dot r power m minus 2 into I plus r bar into m minus 2 into r power m minus 3 into x by r. Okay. Now, simplification. M into first I dot I equals to sigma r power m minus 2 into I dot I, first term. In the second term, sigma m minus 2 into r power, sorry, x into, okay, first x into r power m minus 4 into I dot r bar. I dot r bar. Both are vectors. Now this is m into I dot I equals to 1 plus sigma m minus 2 into r power m minus 4 into x into I dot r bar equals to x, so x square, because I bar dot r bar equals to x. Okay, fine. Okay, simplification. Now expansion of the summation. Divergence of gradient of r power m equals to m into first r power m minus 2, second term r power m minus 2. If you expand the summation 3 times, you will get first term. In the similar way, second m minus 2 r power m minus 4 plus x square. Second term, next term m minus 2 into r power m minus 4 plus y square. Next term m minus 2 into r power m minus 4 plus z square. Just replace x by y by z. Remaining terms are same. Okay. Okay. Now simplification. This is m into, this is 3 times 3 r power m minus 2 plus m minus 2 into r power m minus 4. So if you come, wait, sorry, here multiplication, sorry. Here is multiplication, okay. If you common these two terms, what happen? X square plus y square plus z square. Okay, what happened? Then we will discuss. X square plus y square plus z square equals to m into 3 r power m minus 2 plus m minus 2 into r power m minus 4 into r square. Because I will write here r square equals to x square plus y square plus z square. So known result. So we are applying this result. So r square. Now what is the simplification? What is the simplification? M into 3 r power m minus 2 plus m minus 2 into r power m minus 4 into r square equals to r power m minus 2. If you common, left hand side is divergence of gradient of r power m equals to m into r power m minus 2 is the common term, 3 plus m minus 2. So finally m into, this is m plus 1 into r power m minus 2. So this is the simple proof, but most important result. In the similar way, we will discuss another question. This is divergence of gradient of r power m, previous one. In the similar way, then how to find the value? So here what is f? X, here given, we know that, for proving this one, what is the question? If f equals to x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus 1, then find the divergence of gradient of f and determine if n is n, if divergence of determined n, if divergence of grad f equals to 0. So f is given, find divergence of grad f, then determined n if divergence of grad f equals to 0. So we know that r square equals to x square plus y square plus z square. Okay. Now what is f? From this one, f is x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus n equals to r square whole power minus n. Then what do you say? F equals to r power minus 2n. So here we will find divergence of gradient of f, nothing but divergence of gradient of r power minus 2n. So in the previous problem, divergence of gradient of r power m, I will write here, I will recall that property. Actually in our examination, prove completely divergence of gradient of r power m equals to m into m plus 1 into r power m minus 2. So previous result is this one. Here I will explain with the previous result, but in our examinations, prove completely like our problem number 9. Divergence of gradient of r power m, like that. Here m is minus 2n. So here, but here I am applying the condition. What is the value? M is 2 minus 2n into m plus 1 minus 2n plus 1 r power minus 2n minus 2. So after simplifying, what happened? Gradient of f equals to, if you common minus 2n, what minus sign, 2n into 1 minus 2n into r power minus 2n minus plus 2. Okay. But this, from this one to this one, try yourself like our previous problem using example number 9. So previous problem, try this one, this result, or directly we are applying here. Now what is this? Is gradient, divergence of gradient of f. Now what is the next question? If divergence of grad f equals to 0, then what is n value? Given that divergence of gradient of f equals to 0, that is 2n into 1 minus 2n into r power minus 2n plus 2 equals to 0, then what happened? N equals to 0 or 1 minus 2n equals to 0. Then what happened? N is 0 or n equals to 1 by 2. So if n is 0, simply constant function. N is 0, r power 0 is 1. So if r is, suppose if f is not a constant function, then n becomes 1 by 2. Very simple. N equals to 1 by 2. But here, just try this, all the steps from this one to this one. Okay. Now coming to next question. Now this is also most important result. Del square f of r equals to d square f by dr square plus 2 by r into df by dr. Then how to prove this result? So how to prove this result? What is del square? We know that del square is nothing but del dot del. Okay. Now del square f of r equals to del dot del f of r. Okay. What is del f of r? I will write here. Already known result, del f of r equals to f of r derivative is f dash r into del r. Del r is known, r bar by r. So what is the result? Del dot del f of r is f dash r into r bar by r. Okay. So here I am applying the known result. Now, what is the sigma notation? I will write here sigma implies del square f of r equals to sigma del dot means I dot dou by dou x of I will take f dash r into r bar into r power minus 1. So for simplicity I will take 3 times f dash r into r bar into r power minus 1. Now what is derivative of UVW? What is the derivative of UVW? U dash into VW plus U into V dash W plus UV into derivative of W. Using this formula, we will differentiate these 3 terms. Okay. Sigma I dot, first derivative of f dash r. F dash r derivative is f double dash r into, so remaining terms are same. I will write here dou r by dou x. F dash r derivative is f double dash r into dou r by dou x. This is first term. Now second term, f dash r by, this is 1 by r into r derivative, r bar derivative plus r power minus 1 derivative. Third term, r power minus 1 derivative is minus r power minus 2, that is r square, 1 by r square into f dash r into r bar into dou r by dou x. So r power minus 1 or 1 by r derivative is minus 1 by r square into f dash r into r bar into dou r by dou x. Okay, fine. Now substitute all the results. Sigma I dot f double dash r into r bar by r into, this is x by r, f dash r by r into, this is dou r bar by dou x equals to I. Now this is f dash r into r bar by r square into, this is x by r. Okay, now I will simplify. Now I will simplify. What is the simplification? Sigma, here vector is I, here vector is r bar, f double dash x into f double dash r into x by r square into I dot r bar plus sigma, here I, here I, f dash r by r into I dot I minus sigma, here vector is r bar, here I, f dash r by x into r cube into I dot r bar. Okay. Now what is the simplification? Sigma f double dash r into I dot r equals to x, already x is there, x square r square plus sigma f dash r by r minus, here also I dot r equals to x, sigma f dash r by r cube into x square. Now expand the summation. Expand the summation. So this is del square f of r, left hand side. First expand these 3 terms. F double dash r into r square x square plus f double dash r by r square into y square plus f double dash r by r square into z square. This is first term. Plus second term. Here there is no x term or y term, so simply write this f dash r by r. Second term is also no change. Third term is also no change. And third one is minus minus f dash r by r cube into x square. Second term, replace x by y, f dash r by r cube into y square, f dash r by r cube into z square. Okay. Now simplification is also very easy. So if you observe the first three terms, f double dash r by r square is common term. X square plus y square plus z square. Here x square, here y square, here z square. Plus 3 times of f dash r by r. F dash r by r, so 3 times. Minus. Here f dash r by r cube is the common term. Here x square plus y square plus z square. Now x square plus y square plus z square is known. What is the result? X square plus y square plus z square equals to r square. So using this result, just observe the value. Final step. Del square f of r equals to, this is r square, f double dash r into r square by r square plus 3 f dash r by r. Here f dash r by r cube into r square. Here r square cancel, here r square cancel. What is the value? F double dash r, that is nothing but d square f by dr square, second derivative with respect to r, plus 3 by 2, 3 times, so this is 1 time, 2 by r times of derivative of r, f. This is del square f of r. Very simple result and most important result. Del square f of r equals to d square f by dr square plus 2 by r df by dr. Okay. Now using the same result or separately solve same procedure. What is del square f of del square 1 by r? These two problems are homework for you. So solve completely using the previous 11th question or apply this one. If it is a short answer question, directly apply. What is the question here? In the first question, f of r is 1 by r. In the second question, f of r equals to log r. So what is del square 1 by r? Del square 1 by r equals to, what is the formula? What is the previous result? Differentiate f 2 times with respect to r. So 1 by r derivative is f dash r equals to, for this problem, minus 1 by r square with respect to r. F double dash r equals to 2 by r cube. So using this one, first term is 2 by r cube plus 2 by r into f dash r equals derivative is minus 1 by r square. So that is 2 by r cube minus 2 by r cube, that is 0. This is first one. In the similar way, second, f dash r equals to 1 by r, f double dash r equals to minus 1 by r square. Okay, with respect to r. So what is del second? This is first bit. Second bit, del square log r. So what is the result? F double dash r, that is minus 1 by r square plus, what is the result? 2 by r into f dash r equals to 1 by r. That is minus 1 by r square plus 2 by r square equals to 1 by r square. Okay. If it is short answer question, directly apply this one, this procedure. But if it is an essay question, apply the previous method. This method. What is that method? Just I will give the outline for the first question. Del square 1 by r equals to del dot del f 1 by r. Nothing but sigma I dot dou by dou x of del 1 by r equals to minus 1 by minus r bar by r cube. because del 1 by r derivative is minus 1 by r square into del r. Del r is my r bar by r. So using this result minus r bar by r cube. Now differentiate using u by v rule or u v rule. Then proceed. Finally you will get 0. In the similar way, second question. In the similar way, second question. This is homework. This part is homework, and also this is also homework. Del square log r. Del square log r is del dot del log r. Now del log r is already we discussed. Log r derivative is 1 by r into del r bar by r square. Del dot. Sigma notation is sigma I dot dou by dou x of r bar by r square. So apply the previous remaining all steps, you will get the required solution, that is 1 by r square. Finally you will get 1 by r square. So this part is homework to you, and also this is also homework to you. So in the next class, this is a very important, today's lecture is most important for examination point of view. Okay. Now in the next lecture we will discuss about very simple result. We will discuss later. Curl of grad phi equals, just try it, otherwise I will explain in the next lecture. Curl of grad phi, that is del cross del phi. What is del phi? Already we discussed it in our one of the class. Again we will discuss in the next class. Del phi equals to I dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. Now find the del cross of nothing but I, j, k dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. So ith coefficient is dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou y, dou phi by dou z. If you find the derivative, you will get 0 vector. You will get 0 vector. This is homework. Just try it. Otherwise, we will discuss in our next class. In the similar way, I will give another homework for you. Divergence of nothing but del dot del cross f. What is del cross f? Just we discussed it. I, j, k. This is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. F1, F2, F3. Find the divergence. You will get some determinant. First curl is nothing but find the determinant. You will get some expression. Then find the divergence. Divergence of del cross f. This function, you will get 0. You will get 0. So this is also homework for you. Just try it. Otherwise, we will discuss in our next lecture. Okay. Today I will stop here. Okay. Meet again in the next lecture. Thank you very much.